Hello friends, welcome to infyGyan. Today in this video, we are going to take up one very interesting equation from algebra. So let's get started. Straight away by writing denominator cannot be 0. So our solution x cannot be equal to minus 3. Now we will rewrite our equation x whole square plus 9x square is 3x whole square. Denominator is already 1 square of x plus 3. So we can put whole square over here equal to 40. Now we'll use substitutions. Let us say this bracket equal to a. So x equal to a. And second bracket 3x over x plus 3 equal to b. So 3x over x plus 3. Suppose this is b. So we'll get our first equation from here. A square plus b square equal to 40. Now we have a and b. So if I will find a minus b value, then I will be getting x minus 3x over x plus 3. After taking LCM, we will get x times x plus 3 minus 3x in the numerator, which will give us x square plus 3x minus 3x over x plus 3. After cancelling plus and minus 3x from the numerator, we will get x square over x plus 3. This is a minus b. Now we will find a times b also. Let's check what will come out. So if I will write here a times b, this will be equal to x times 3x over x plus 3, which will be equal to 3 times x is x square over x plus 3. Now we have x square over x plus 3 a minus b. So we can write here 3 times a minus b. So we have second equation ab equal to 3 times a minus b. Let me write here, this is equation 2. Here we will write equation number 1. Now we have to solve this new system of equations. Let me write a square plus b square equal to 40 and AB equal to 3 times A minus B. Or we can write A minus B equal to AB over 3. Now we will use our equation 1. A square plus B square equal to 40. From algebraic identities, we know we can write over here A minus B whole square, which is A square plus B square minus 2AB. Now we have to compensate minus 2AB by adding here 2AB equal to 40. Now in place of A minus B, we can write AB over 3. So here I can write AB over 3 whole square plus 2 times AB equal to 40. Now denominator is 9, which is square of 3. So we will multiply both sides by 9. So let us write here times 9. We will get a square b square over 9 times 9. So let us write ab whole square directly plus 9 times 2 is 18. So plus 18ab equal to 40 times 9, 360. Or we can write ab whole square plus 18ab equal to 360. This is one quadratic equation. I will use completing the square method. So here we have 18 as a coefficient of AB. Half of 18 is 9. Square of 9 is 81. We will add 81 to both sides. Now 360 plus 81 will become 441. So in right hand side we will write 441. In left side we have one perfect square of AB plus 9. So we have AB plus 9 whole square equal to 441, which is the square of 21. So we can write AB plus 9 whole square equal to 21 square. Now we will take square root both sides. So we'll write here square root symbol. Now we have to put plus minus sign. Simply by cancelling square root with square in LHS and RHS, we will get AB plus 9 equal to plus minus 21. Now we will subtract 9 from both the sides. We will get AB equal to minus 9 plus minus 21. So we will write here AB equal to 21 minus 9, 12, minus 9 minus 21, minus 30. We have one important equation, AB over 3 equal to A minus B. So if we want to find A minus B, then we have to find AB over 3. So let us divide both sides by 3. We will write here divided by 3, divided by 3, divided by 3. So we will write A minus B in left side. 12 over 3 is 4. Minus 30 over 3 is minus 10. Now we can frame two system of equations. I will write A minus B equal to 4 with AB 12. This is our first system of equations. Now we will write second system of equations by writing A minus B equal to minus 10, where AB is equal to minus 30. Now we have to solve these two systems. If I will begin with second system, A minus B equal to minus 10 and AB is equal to minus 30. A minus B equal to minus 10 with AB equal to minus 30. So from this equation, if I will find B value, then B will be equal to A plus 10, which we will plug in here. And we will get A times A plus 10 equal to minus 30. Or we can write A square plus 10A equal to minus 30. Again, we can use completing the square method. Coefficient of A is 10. Half of 10 is 5. Square of 5 is 25. So we will be adding 25 to both sides. Now LHS will give us A plus 5 whole square and RHS is minus 5. Now square is negative. We are going to get complex solutions. That is sure. So I can write A plus 5 whole square equal to 5I square. We know that I square is negative 1. Now we will take a square root both sides. So I will write a square root over here, square root over here, plus minus sign. We can write A plus 5 equal to plus minus I square root 5. Now we have to subtract only 5 to get the value of A, and A is x. So I can write x equal to A equal to minus 5 plus minus I square root 5. So we have two complex solutions. Minus 5 plus minus I square root 5. Now we have first system. If I will write here A minus B equal to 4 with AB 12. Similarly, I will find B from the first equation. So I can write B will be equal to A minus 4. which we will apply here in the second equation. So we can write a times a minus 4 equal to 12, or I can write a square minus 4a equal to 12, or we can write a square minus 4a minus 12 equal to 0. We have quadratic equations once again. I will write here a square minus 4a equal to 12. Again we can use completing the square method. Coefficient of a is minus 4. Half of minus 4 minus 2. Minus 2 square is plus 4. Add 4 to both sides. So left hand side will give us a minus 2 whole square. Right hand side is 16, which is a square of 4. Now we will take square root both sides. We will get a minus 2 equal to plus minus 4. We'll add 2 to both sides. So we can write a will be equal to 2 plus minus 4. 4 plus 2 is 6 and 2 minus 4 is minus 2. This is equal to a, and a is nothing but x. So we have two real values of x and two complex values of x. So if I will write x1, x2, x3, x4, then x1 is minus 2, x2 is 6, x3 is minus 5 plus I root 5, and x4 is minus 5 minus I root 5. We have 4 values of x. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Goodbye.